Vedic Ashram, eco-friendly school with 70% greenery. About Constitutional Councils. Constitutional Council's charitable trust was established in 2017 with a group of committed youths with the purpose of serving the public at large. Trust got its legal entity by registering under the Indian Trust Act of 1882 with a registration number of 519/2017 on 26/2017. The NGO is also registered with Niti Aayog and got the unique ID UP/2018-0206-006. The NGO started its activities in the remote, rural as well as in urban areas of Uttar Pradesh with its free medical health care program, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Swachh Bharat Mission, Women Education and Safety Awareness, and Natural and Cultural Heritage Campaign Program, Environmental Activities, Road Safety Awareness Program, etc. The NGO is successfully fulfilling its objective for the past 3 years. The NGO recently served for COVID-19 virus pandemic programs and environmental activities. The NGO has also distributed free ration, free medical facilities and services, awareness programs regarding prevention of the diseases and free masks at a large scale to the people during the pandemic COVID-19. The NGO emerged as one of the leading organizations in the field of awareness program. Constitutional Council's charitable trust envisions inclusive and empowered communication and individuals. The program has empowered mankind by betterment of health, education, essential infrastructure, services, and has also increased livelihood options in the society. The NGO has organized various programs for the society. The funds for the projects have been raised from the individuals. Our aim is to begin an eco-friendly school with a 70% green environment. The school will lead an intellectual and symmetric mode of a world-class dexterous education system. The smart practical approach of education equally associated with theoretical knowledge will make the student skillful. That is a must for the growth of any student. The beauty of this education institution will be as follows. Admission depends on competition basic test. योग व्यक्ति को ही प्राथमिकता किसी भी वर्ग का हो. We are focusing on quality education, and quality education stands for merit. The merit has no stands for reservation and recommendations. Thus, merit is the only way that will decide the entrance of candidates in our institutions. We have already developed some smart ways of technique and learning for our aspiring students that include smart English learning, smart Vedic mathematics learning, smart coding learning, ethics and cultural learning, manner and behavior learning, nature and environmental learning, basic of business and entrepreneurship learning, others. Genuine platform for learning. We will be providing registration fee only for ₹500 for 5 years, free books, free accommodations for outsiders, free food, free dress, free educational resources, free physical as well as e-learning. Cost of project. The cost of project have been distributed in following ways. All the figures are in crores. Cost of furniture and fixture 11.80 crore. Cost of building of educational institute 346.50 crore. Cost of hostel and facilities 181.50 crores. Cost of awareness programs regarding government policies 18.80 crores. Cost of computer and printer with software 11.80 crores. Cost of air conditioner 2.50 crores. Vehicle for office use and campus visit 18.70 crore. Cost of office equipments 10.75 crores, which equals total amount of 602.35 crores. Means of finance, corpus fund 515.00 crores. Trustee share 0.50 crore. Loans and advances 86.85 crores, which equals to 602.35 crores. In this video, we have represented the project balance sheet, project profitability statement, calculations of some important ratios which can be used for the judgment of successful implementation of this project. Other facilities, those are proposed with the Vedic Ashram's mission, and they are medical facilities for students and all school staffs, residential facilities for the outsiders, everyday extra classes, traditional and Vedic classes. Traditional classes to make aware that the cultures and civilizations are ending, like Lili Ghori, Ram Leela, Katputli, etc. And rituals of marriage in ancient time weekend special environmental activity make concept why we need the types of school infrastructure to reduce difference between private and government school resources. We welcome all type of genuine donations. Kindly support the future of India. Thank you.